Thank you to the Institute for Community Living for the incredible honor of inviting me to your 40th anniversary Better Begins Here Gala at the Pierre in New York City. It was a beautiful evening celebrating an organization that has spent 4 decades transforming lives across New York City through compassionate mental health care, supportive housing, recovery services, and programs that uplift children, families, and communities in need. ICL's work goes far beyond services. They create pathways to stability, healing, dignity, and hope for thousands of people every year. Their commitment to meeting individuals where they are and providing life-changing support is truly inspiring, and the impact they continue to make throughout New York City is extraordinary. Congratulations on 40 years of meaningful impact, compassion, and healing, and to many more ahead.